The book, what was the name of that book? Here's what I'm gonna let you do. I'm gonna let you find.
My name is Nellie Aspel. I'm the Executive Director of Exceptional Children's Services for Cleveland County Schools. One of my favorite things is to work with people to come up with ideas and programs that meet a need. What we call our social emotional learning and mental health framework is very multifaceted.
You may not get a chance because
we have been very successful in using the multi-tiered system of support, MTSS, framework to house our support system. People understand the importance of teaching social emotional learning skills as part of the core. Not only are kids getting those supports in the classroom with their learning skills, little extra help if they need to develop maybe some anger management skills, but also if they have mental health diagnosis, they get those mental health services right here on our campus.
What strategy can you use when you're like...
We've done a tremendous amount of training with staff.
Do you remember what your goal was last week? Can you give me an example of when you've done a good job of following directions? Okay, well that's good, Sire.
I'm Terry Putnam. As the director of the Project Aware grant, we have more financial support. We have 27 CRIM trainers in our district. CRIM stands for Community Resiliency Model, and it is a model to teach anyone how to learn skills to calm yourself down.
You can do that if you want.
I like to play with sand because it calms me when I get like mad or angry.
The reset room, also referred to as the resiliency room, is part of our protocol for helping students to kind of work through how they're feeling at that point in time. What are their resources or their go-tos, whether it's deep breathing or counting or whatever, to calm down. And this gives them an opportunity to be in control versus out of control.
It's probably one of the easiest models I've seen because it's just 5 strategies. You create a common language, and it's not hard for kids at any level.
How do we extend that beyond just the regular school day? How do we make sure that we're providing most appropriate services, then our students can really truly access the education that we feel like they deserve?
We just have so much more information about how to help those students. You hear about a kid that changed because of the program, everything's worth it.
At North Shelby School, we have a wonderful program, Hearts and Hooves, that our students are able to ride horses for their therapy.
I think that our Hearts and Hooves program, that the way we have interwoven it into the students' delivery of services, both students with physical disabilities, students with intellectual disabilities, and students with emotional disabilities, is very unique from the standpoint of empowering them, giving them something to look forward to, and for some of our students, physically, it's great exercise.
It's a tremendous illustration of the wonderful partnerships that we have. That just shows you the deep conviction of the stakeholders internally, but also the external stakeholders, how committed they are to seeing students be successful here at Cleveland County.